Welcome to the elevator at Round 1, Millcreek Mall, Erie, PA. This is an Otis Lexan. Let's go up to the second floor. It's your 88 phone right there. Chimes don't light up. This is out in the arcade, and here's the call station.
Tell the viewers what this store, this arcade used to be.
This used to be Burlington Coat Factory, but since they moved, Round 1 has reopened. I think in 2018, but I'm not sure.
Burlington Coat Factory closed in 2012. You go off those. Thank you.
Here's your view up into the shaft.
There's nothing real up there.
Lexan button. Thank you so much for watching.